Magandang umaga. Good morning, everyone. Yes.
Sir, kunin lang po namin yung reactions niyo regarding
Yung?
reactions niyo, sir, regarding sa allegation po ni former President Duterte regarding sa blank item.
He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie. I was watching the news earlier today and people were saying it's 4,000 pages. Paano namin ibubusisiin yan? Ang gaganto, para titignan namin isa-isa. Hindi na lang. Meron namang kopya that's available on the website of DBM. Tignan ninyo, huwag na ninyong busisihin isa-isa. Hanapin nyo yung sinasabi nila na blank check. Tignan ninyo kung meron kahit isa para mapatunayan na tama ang sinasabi ko, kasinungalingan yan. That's my reaction.
Sir, regarding po sa possible extension ni PNP Chief Marbil, meron po bang ganitong plano, sir?
Well, there is a very strong argument that it would not be good for stability, especially to change Chief PNP in the middle of a campaign period and then approaching an election period. So pinag-aaralan namin, but I think that is probably a very strong argument to keep him on, at the very least until after the elections. All right.
Sir, may recommendation po ang MMDA to shorten yung pasok sa government agencies sa Metro Manila to ease the traffic from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Yes, I saw that. Well, we're studying it. If it works, we'll do it. But we have to. It's not enough to talk to the traffic enforcers and the administrators of traffic that have made the suggestion. We also have to ask the commuting public kung practical para sa kanila. So if it turns out that everyone agrees to it, then I cannot see why it will be a problem.